Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix a screen that's not centered in OBS. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your OBS application on your computer. Once OBS is up and running, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen where you'll find the Sources panel. This is where all your active sources like display captures, window captures, or cameras are listed. Now, locate the specific source that's giving you the centering issue. It could be a game capture, a browser source, or any other type of source that's appearing off-center or not properly aligned in your OBS canvas. Once you've identified the problematic source, right-click on it to bring up a context menu with various options. In the menu that appears, you'll see several options for managing your source. Look for the option labeled Transform and hover your mouse over it. This will open a submenu with different transformation options that control how your source appears on the canvas. These options are incredibly useful for adjusting the size, position, and orientation of any source in OBS. From the Transform submenu, click on Fit to Screen. This is the key step that solves the centering problem. What this option does is automatically resize your source to perfectly fit within your OBS canvas dimensions while maintaining the correct aspect ratio. This means your content won't appear stretched or distorted, but will be properly scaled and centered exactly where it needs to be. After clicking Fit to Screen, you'll notice your source immediately adjusts itself. The transformation happens instantly, resizing and repositioning the source so it fills your canvas appropriately without any awkward cropping or misalignment. This ensures your viewers see exactly what you want them to see, with everything properly framed and centered. And that's it! You've successfully fixed your off-center screen in OBS, and your source is now properly positioned and scaled to your canvas. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.